If you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and you keep thinking, I do want a second income, but I'm not selling my reputation to get it. Maybe you love health, you believe in natural solutions, but you're completely done with hype and pressure. You want something real, evidence based, and stable. If this sounds like you are in the right place. Hi, I'm Judy MacDonald, Diamond Consultant with Immunotec and a certified health coach. I became a network marketer in my 50s, and Immunotech is the first and only MLM I will ever be involved in. Why? Because of the evidence based science, the uniqueness of their flagship product, Immunical, and the stability of the company. Since 2015, I built a team of professionals and entrepreneurs who see the Immunotech opportunity the way I do. They respect the science. They care about people and they have zero interest in hype and games. On this channel, the Sweet Success Sales School, I can show you how to do the same. You'll learn how to talk about serious, science backed products in simple human language. How you can build a reputation safe second income that will serve you in your 60s and beyond. I can help you build a business that fits your life, your values, and your good name. If you're a health professional, coach, or entrepreneur who cares as much about integrity and reputation as you do about income, you are in the right place. So here's what to do next. Hit subscribe, then message me the word leader on your favorite platform, and I'll send you a short, honest overview of how I built with Immunotech and how you can succeed as well. Then we can connect personally to see if this is a right fit for you.